Yeah, got my bros, my family, got
Phone flashlight and on-sang thing, please. Flashlight, please.
I'ma make you.
Let's go. Since I was a kid, I had a dream I wanna shine. Bright let it start, so I put my life on the line. Shout out to my daddy, told me Vianney to grind. My mama got my back, she told me Vianney to. So I'm here trying no matter whatever it takes. Even if I make a wrong move, I learn from my mistake. But life, man, this ain't a piece of cake. But at least I got Christ, there's nothing that he can. Ain't no matter what, where I'll be. Cause I know that God is with me. Me no worry about what I need. Cause I know that my God got me. So I say, I'ma make it one day, one day. Yeah, I'll make it some way, some way. I know I got my brothers and I got my fam. Cause I got God, you can't tell me that I can't. I'ma make it one day, one day. Yeah, I'll make it some way, some way. I know I got my brothers and I got my fam. Plus I got God, you can tell me that I can't. I'm still young, praying for the better days. Cause where I'm from, that gun sound, man, I don't wanna stay. You better watch yourself, you better watch how you behave. You might end up in a boss and now I'm in the MMA. I done fight a lot of battles and them demons in my head. I miss the time we used to jump around father's bed. I pray to God to give me bread, but he gave me wisdom. Reason why you can't be with me is cause all you see is red. Ain't no matter what, where I'll be. Cause I know that God is with me. Me no worry about what I need. Cause I know that my God got me. So I say, I'ma make it one day, one day. Yeah, I'll make it some way, some way. I know I got my brothers and I got my fam. Plus I got God, you can tell me that I can't. I'ma make it one day, one day. Yeah, I'll make it some way, some way. I know I got my brothers and I got my fam. Plus I got God, you can tell me that I can't. Are. Yeah. Been during something, there were music playing. Hey yo baby, what's the word? One more. Hey yo baby, what's the word? Alright, Leute. Hey, let's go. Lava all. Kannst du bei Lava all?
I'm trying to be your man, I want you to be my boo. I've been thinking about you all day long, I hope you do it too. Don't know how to make a move, cause you came right off the blue. Girl, you're so fine, just come be mine, You can hit my line, call me anytime. You can call me anytime and I'ma be right there for you. All them haters, they be hating, baby, we're just way too cool. True, bro, my girl 10 out of 10, but for now I'm not her man. I'ma show you that I can, I thanks the Lord I say amen. Bro, my girl 10 out of 10, but for now I'm not her man. I'ma show you that I can, I thanks the Lord I say amen.
해가 지렁이 마을로 길로지 이시험 시가 운풍이단 조금 멀어랑 이술엔 잠별된 미꾸알 장라야 불로 벌러디 해가 지렁이 마을로 길로지 이시험 시가 운풍이단 조금 멀어랑 이술엔 잠별된 미꾸알 장라야.
Hold on, let's go with Fufu, eh? Kalalam Dolem. Kalalam, oh, let's go. One more. Let's go.
Chris Vannex on the beat, let's rock. Think about me and Lil Boy, yo, rap. Lil Boy, yo, Fufu. Hey, are. This on the beat, oh, she is a word. Let's go. Think about me and Lil Boy, yo, Fufu. Breeze to the beat, oh, shit. And it's mad like rawn, me too. Crying, they crying, bro. Fans to the beat, yo, bro. Ringo, just their outfit fail. Now we wouldn't run that ball. D-Ryan on the block. Think about me and Lil Boy, yo, Fufu. Breeze to the beat, oh, shit. And it's mad like rawn, me too. Crying, they crying, bro. Fans to the beat, yo, bro. Ringo, just their outfit fail. Now we wouldn't run that ball. D-Ryan on the block. I'm back when I hear ya on this shit from down below like 40 feet. Said I guess so I outfit fair. Now we wouldn't want to let go. You right now, think about me, little boy, you're full, piece of the bill, oh shit.
Cuckoo haters mad like bro, I'm into crying, they crying, bro. Who
Let's
you
go.
gonna be your bro in Ringo?
Just that outfit, y'all ready?
Can't do now, we wouldn't want to let go.
You right now, need a drill, you get drill.
Now bro, this me and my drill.
Let them know this shit getting real.
It's our time, it's time to reveal.
Need a drill, you get drill.
Now bro, this burn my drill.
Let them know this shit getting real.
It's our time, it's time to reveal.
Think about me, little boy, piece of the bill, shit. Haters mad like bro,
Me too.
crying, they crying, bro. Hands to the beat, yo, bro. Jingle, just let outfit fail. Now we wouldn't want to let go. So you right now, shit done too fast, you like blow. My must pay my drummer. Harvey's got my back to fall. Ever Mizo, boy, let's go. Shit done too fast, you like blow. My must pay my drummer.
Harvey's got my back to fall. And for Mizo, boy, let's go.
Alright, so that's one. Thank you so much.